Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer money from bank to Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Before transferring money, make sure your bank account is linked to your Cash App account. To check this, tap your profile icon at the top right, scroll down, and then select Linked Banks. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, follow the on-screen instructions to add one. Once your bank account is connected, return to the Money tab. Next, tap the Add Cash button located below your Cash App balance. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. You can choose one of the preset amounts or tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. After that, tap Add, then confirm the transaction using your Cash PIN, Face ID, or Touch ID depending on your device. Once the transfer is complete, the money will be added instantly to your Cash App balance. You can then use your balance to send money to other people, make purchases with your Cash Card, buy Bitcoin or stocks, or use any of Cash App's other supported features. And that's it! So that's basically how you can transfer money from bank to Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.